Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide friends on Facebook. For this, we want to open Facebook, so click on Facebook. After clicking, Facebook will start to open in front of you. Once Facebook is open in front of you, here we will see how we will hide our friend list. For this, just go to the menu section. So, click on Menu, which is located at the bottom of your mobile. Click on it. After clicking, the menu section will open in front of you. In the menu section, at the top of your mobile, just click on the gear icon. After clicking, Settings will open in front of you. Once it's open, here we just want to click on the search button. So, click on the search button, and here you will type friend. After typing friends right here, you will see 3 options. In these options, we will select who can see your friend list. So, click on who can see your friend list. After clicking, that kind of format will appear in front of you. In this format, just click on public. After clicking public, at the bottom of your mobile screen, you will see a lot of options. The first option is public, meaning everyone can see your friend list. The next option is friends. If you enable this option, then your friends can see your friend list. If you go to the bottom of your screen, you will see the option of only me. If you click on it, no one will be able to see your friend list. So, click on it. After clicking, your account will be fully private, and no one can see your friend list on your profile. That's the way to hide friends on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like it. And to support our channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.